This video is about 100 rare old postage stamps of New Zealand. The first is from year 1857. It is 1D dull orange, imperforate Geelong, and the watermark is large star. 1857 to 63 Geelong, 1 shilling blue-green imperforate with no watermark on thick paper. 1898 to 1903 2.5D, blue lake violet. Now next is 1891 2D mauve lilac Queen Victoria with perforation 10 and rose overprint. Next is 8D postage due, double carmine on front and reverse offset error, and it is very unique. Next is 1935 2D, that is 2 pence postage revenue, and it is also very rare. Now this is $2 duty stamp 1913 violet de la Rue paper and perforation 14.5 times 14. Now this is 1862 Queen Victoria 60 brown large star watermark, and it has 4 large margins. 9D sage green imperforate 3 sides, and it is a vertical pair, mint lightly hinged. Next is Queen Victoria 60 red brown with large star watermark and 4 generous margins. 1916 King George V 4D deep purple and perforation 14 times 14.5. Next is 1891 to 1906 1D rose Queen Victoria and rose hand stamp. Now next is 2D government insurance lighthouse 1911 to 1903. Next is 1882 Queen Victoria postal fiscal $10 stamp. It is in blue color and is in mint condition. 1D red 1855 IMP blue paper. It is mint rare stamp and is Richardson. Now 1 shilling star watermark, and it is in good condition, Queen Victoria stamp. Next is New Zealand 1935 £3 10 shilling, and this was sold for $2,213. 1935 2D 2 pence, it is also very rare, and this was sold for $2,134. Now £4 10 shilling postal fiscal revenue stamp. It is used and in very fine condition. King George V stamp. It is engraved, issued in 1915. It is 1S vermilion block of 8 and is imperforate. Postal fiscal 1906 7 shilling 6 penny olive grey, unsurfaced Cohen paper and with star watermark. Now this is fiscal 1931 35S orange yellow, Cohen paper and single New Zealand and star watermark. Postal fiscal 1935 £3 10 shilling rose Cohen paper, single New Zealand and star watermark. Postal fiscal 1935 £4 10 shilling deep olive grey, Cohen paper and single New Zealand and star watermark. This is postal fiscal 1948 £3 10 shilling rose multiple New Zealand and star watermark. This is official 1902 Oceania George 5D red brown hand stamp OPSO original gum. Official life insurance 1905 lighthouse stamp, and it is 2D red brown with original gum. Now Cook Island 1902 Ryebill 2D chocolate color. It is figures of value omitted. Now 1871 Queen Victoria Geelong head 1D brown worn plate imperforate and large star watermark. This one is 1862 Queen Victoria Geelong head 1D orange vermilion on paler paper. It is unwatermarked. And this is 1864 Queen Victoria 6D red brown perforation 12.5 and NZ watermark. Now 1859 Queen Victoria 6D brown rouletted perforation 7 and unwatermarked. This is 1878 5 shilling grey first side face. It is perforated 12 times 11.5. Now 2 shilling Milford deep green shade mint unhinged, and it has original gum. 6D carmine pink official pristine fresh mint unhinged example, and this was sold for $575. Now 1 shilling Kia N Kaka official overprint, and it is a superb mint unhinged example. 1899 rare special post stamp overprinted in blue, and this one was sold for $1,600. Now 1875 2D rose side face, star watermark, and it is a mint example with large patka. 50-cent Elisa Mountains foil stamps overprint error, and this one was sold for $1,590. Now 1996 health stamp, 40-cent plus 5C semi-postal self-adhesive stamp. New Zealand 1901 postage stamp, it is a used example, and this one was sold for $1,460. 1960 block of 4 error missing colors, purple and green. Now this is 3 shilling perforation 13.5 times 14. It is a block of 4 with watermark inverted and reverse. Now 1913 Victoria Land on Hafty green with original gum and lightly hinged. It is bright and fresh. 1915 King George V 90 sage green imperforate horizontal pair with original gum and never hinged. Next is 1966 40 Scout Jomri gold arrowhead omitted, and it is with original gum and is never hinged. 1973 4 cent Puriri moth 4 errors brown, shallow, blue and apple green omitted. This is Fiscal 1886 15 shilling dark green perforation 12.5 6 mm watermark, and post Fiscal 1886 25 shilling blue perforation 12.5 6 mm watermark. Now this is post Fiscal 1895 4 pounds bright blue perforation 11 and large part original gum. Post Fiscal 1882 3 pound 10 shilling rose perforation 12 and 6 mm watermark. Now postal Fiscal 1925 7 shilling dull blue chalked surface coin paper and single NC and star watermark. Postal Fiscal 1931 25 shilling greenish blue coin paper and single star watermark with original gum and never hinged. This is Fiscal 1931 3 pound green coin paper NC and star watermark with original gum. This is official 1892 2.5T ultramarine and perforation 10 times 11 and it is overprinted. Official 1899 Queen Victoria half T black color horizontal strip of 3. It is with original gum. Next is official 1902 and this is bird stamp 3D orange brown and is hand stamp with original gum. 1902 5T purple brown overprinted in green and it is with original gum. This was sold for $850. 1905 official stamp 1D carmine overprinted OPSO in violet and it is with original gum. This is Pigeon Mail 1899 Great Barrier Pigeon Gram Agency 6D blue block of 18. Now 1903 Kia in Kaka 1 shilling brown red surcharge error and it has original gum and is fine to very fine. 40C Scars 2000 Olympic, it is a major perforation error and this one was sold for $1,000. Pre-decimal 1891 to 1900 9 pence postage revenue mixed perforation and this is 1931 1D plus 1D to 2D plus 1D smiling boy health semi-postal stamp. Now 3D chocolate airmail, it is rare perforation 14 times 15 and it is very fine. Now next New Zealand stamp is 1940 1 by 3D arms error misprint stamp and there is missing text. 1906 half D to 6D and it is Christchurch exhibition set watermark and watermark is inverted. 1939 35 shilling on 35 shilling orange yellow and it is mint and fine. 1961 2.5T Christmas stamp and it is imperforate error and it is a pair. Now this stamp is New Zealand 1982 magenta in dark blue with offset lithography. Next is 2 cent Tussaud butterfly black color is omitted and this was sold for $507. Next is 1969 Captain James Cook bicentenary imperforate pair and this one was sold for $471. Half T multiple watermark part double perforation at right and this one was sold for $470. 1 cent Admiral butterfly red omitted error and it was sold for $435. Now KGV Admiral 2 shilling deep blue and 3 shilling pale mauve, and these were sold for $435. This is Antarctic Expeditions 1908, and it is Kiwi 1T Rose Carmine. Now next New Zealand stamp is a railway parcel stamp, and its value is 60. This was sold for $226. 1979, this is Queen Elizabeth stamp with inverted surcharge, and this one was sold for $430. 1970, Tennessee Arms Blue Queen's Head omitted. It is mint never hinged, and this one was sold for about $400. 1971, dark green color is omitted, and this was sold for $375. 1973, and there is missing greenish blue color, and it is sold for $348. 1960, 5T with yellow color omitted, and this was sold for $355. Now 1903, Lake Topo 4T deep blue and deep brown on bluish, and it is a horizontal pair. 2D Kakapeak black omitted with original gum, and it is never hinged and very fine. It was issued in 1960. This is 1920 Victoria 1.5T Maori Warrior imperforate plate proof, and it is a vertical pair. 1915 King Edward 7. It is 6T carmine vertical pair with original gum. Next is 1961 2.5T Tatoki yellow brown omitted. It is with original gum, and it was sold for $200. 1963 T Kauai green omitted, and it is with original gum, and it is never hinged. 1962 T Christmas stamp red color is omitted, and it is with original gum and is extremely fine. Now 1963 2.5T Christmas stamp, and it is imperforate horizontal pair with original gum, and it is extremely fine. 1963 3T Railway Centenary blue, that is sky, is omitted, and this was sold for $150. 1970 4C Brewery Moth purple brown color is omitted, and it is with original gum and is very fine. 1970 8 cent John Dory blue green, that is background and value is omitted. It is with original gum. 1975 8 cent, and it is Kwaika with blue omitted. It is with original gum, and it is never hinged. 1975 4 cent Superstar Rose imperforate horizontal pair with original gum and extremely fine appearance. Now 1979 14 cent on 10 cent Queen Elizabeth II stamp, orange color in the dress is omitted, and it is with original gum. 1985 20 cent Queen Elizabeth II orders on sash omitted, and it is also with original gum. 1986 30C conductor imperforate horizontal pair, and it is with original gum and is never hinged. Fiscal stamp 1901 2 shilling 6 penny grey brown perforation 11, and it is with inscription. Semi-postal stamp 1964 2.5T plus 1D silver gulls red, that is beak and legs omitted. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos.